A secured card and a credit builder loan both help people build credit, but they work in different ways because they create different types of credit activity. By the end, you'll know how secured cards and credit builder loans affect your credit profile, what each option is designed for, and which one may fit your situation better. The main difference is simple. A secured card is a revolving credit account, while a credit builder loan is an installment account. With a secured card, you usually provide a security deposit that supports your credit limit. You use the card, make payments, and your account activity may be reported to the credit bureaus. The goal is to show a pattern of responsible credit use. A credit builder loan works differently. Instead of getting access to borrowed money immediately, the loan structure is designed to help you make payments over time. As you make those payments, the account can help create a record of managing installment credit. The better option depends on what part of your credit profile you want to strengthen. If you need experience managing a credit card, a secured card can help you practice using revolving credit responsibly. The key steps are keeping your balance controlled, making payments on time, and monitoring your credit reports. If you want to add installment account history, a credit builder loan may be worth considering. The focus is on consistent payments and building a record of handling that type of account. One option is not automatically better for everyone. Someone with limited credit history may choose differently from someone trying to improve an existing credit profile. Before applying, check how the product reports account activity, review the fees, and make sure the monthly payment fits your budget. A product that reports your payments can be useful, but mispayments can hurt your credit goals. Also remember that building credit is usually about the full picture. Payment history, account usage, credit mix, and the information on your credit reports all play a role. A secured card gives you experience with revolving credit, while a credit builder loan focuses on installment credit. The right choice depends on which type of credit history you need and how you prefer to manage payments. Check your current credit profile first, compare the terms of each option, and choose the account that matches your financial situation. If this helped you understand the difference, like the video and subscribe for more clear answers about credit products.